Braya ke na ke rata leboga. Ke leboga Christmas marumo colors ba re fileng yona. Dilo ka go fela ke na di stofole le bana ba sa batla tša Christmas. Today ka Christmas ra apara tša Pirates fela. Ntho e re file Christmas. Ke mna ke stofole ke monate.
I'm so excited. Like literally, I don't even know how to be excited now because it is becoming a new normal that we are winning trophies and like now that we have won a second trophy, it has lightened out our weight for winning the league. So we are going to like put maybe 90% in the league, and then we stand a chance to win the Nedbank too. So we're gonna win the treble. Surely 100% this season we are going to win the league, and we're going to win treble. So next year, you know what Mbule said. We're literally gonna have in every tournament we're gonna have that badge on a silver or gold, because we have won everything. I mean, it's quite interesting that the guys showed up. We showed up coming from Gauteng right now, and we all going back. I mean, there's nothing to do in Polokwane. I'm sorry, but I don't mean to be bad, but it was quite interesting. The guys showed up. I saw a few Kaizer Chiefs supporters. They supported. I'm quite happy because they were here and they got what they were here for. The pain, it was delivered.
Today, ke rata go leboga guys. La mathomo pele guys ke ra gore ke leboga lona guys, company ya lona e gole. That's the first point. La bobedi gape ke kopela mabakane ya bo botle re support company le e gone go gola wa bona. La bobedi gape ke rata go leboga gape le Kaizer Chiefs ke makhelwana Kaizer Chiefs e tlhaka le itswa le Joburg le rena tsara le Soweto. So la a itle go supporta vela ntse a tseba lona gore fela rena re di boss tsa yona wa bona. So even le gona jwala gape le league ke ya rena le Sundowns ya tseba rona le mabakane. So guys ke rata go leboga for lona le company e gole guys. Ke Brasolo from Jimmy Stini ke tlhaka ke le Primrose branch.
Thank you Pakane yabo.
Bimnandi kakhulu mfethu yazi bengisasho ngitshela abafethu ngithi yazi ngikhazwa into e1 ukuthi always ngathi sizobulawa injabulo la sihamba khona ibhakabhaka iphili collector njalo besazi besitawa ukuthi mhlawumbe izodonsa 5 manje sihlulekile mara siwinile ngiyajabula vele.
Yeah, there were doubts there. There were doubts, but sikhonela ukuphumelela. We went in, they judged us at first. I remember coming here, there were people saying, you sacrificed the money from Tzaneen to Polokwane just to come and lose. When it got to like 80 minutes, I had doubts myself. Marana.
You can't doubt this team.
Mara the spirit. The spirit.
You are happy.
We are coming, bro.
The spirit, ne? Mkumbula, when Wadu came, Coach Wadu came, they said he's a plumber. Okay, let's talk now. A plumber with 2 cups.
And number 1 on the league.
Number 1 in the league. But what's a sele? What's a puma? Says Chiefs. What should I was a malek? What's a sense auntie?
Game ya lehono mfo yona pele bi manyana ka re marumo kalansi itlogile ya pheka pes morao sa bona be ba lebeletse di penal and then ba lebeletse di penal mara re feditse le gore a gone go break gore re ka ba kora 1-0. Yeah.
And then some of the individual performances, Pagania, we saw Master Chef Barry was cooking. Thoughts on Master Chef today?
Yeah, Master Chef was cooking today. Le performance ya Pirates e bile gona ge Master Chef ga fetšo tsena wa change mo la fielding go bonala gore ya kae Pirates.
And then coach wa rona Pagania ana fitla ne ba re ke plumber. Now sana le cup tse 2 chasing the league, chasing the Nedbank as well. Rate jwang out of 10?
Ke mrate 10 out of 10. Ka re go nwalo ke lebeletse cup ya Nedbank and also the league.
Ke tsa Ronald tsona Pagania. Bopa
Pagania.
Jabulile Pagania jabulile, even though benzima, but at least we've managed to win. At least umboga zozohamba kahle ngewin. Ya ubonile nanoma i-final wisilo refactor tokushaya like celebration yakhe beyisho ukuthi at least bekafuna ukuhamba ne-victory. Akusilula ukudlala I don't want to say it's underdog team, but team efana neMarumo Gallants is very defensive yabo is very organized. If you can check ama team ewadlile ishaya neSundowns ngama-penalty babambile 0-0, so it shows ukuthi it's a very good team. I-league nayiqala yi-team esishayile futhi. So yeah, we're playing against a very good team.
We're against a very good team. And a very good team who has our former player, Undlondo. He was giving us a bit of problems in the first half. Do you think we should have let him go to Marumo Gallants, Undlondo?
Honestly speaking, he was supposed to be released. Ubonile at least udlalile kuMarumo na game time. Kupareti bekazo struggle ukuthola game time. So yeah, it was a good thing ukuthi release hamba ayodlala kuMarumo.
And then Pagania, some of our Pagania, I complain ngama subs coach wethu, particularly when he took off for Umbata. Thoughts on Amasapaka coach today?
Yeah, lapha besicabanga ukuthi uzodonsa uNamatshela because of beseleseka ne-second yellow card. So nakadonsa uMbatha and ubonile iMarumo kade penetrator like esiswini in the middle of the park. They attack. So now keep uMbatha. Isiphe a little bit of concern, but at least uMaster Chef uzile wa control game I drop out down wakwazi ukucontrol. Ubonile goal like it was an individual brilliance. Yes.
And then Pagania, I know it's a tough one, but your man of the match today.
Hey, yeah, indeed it's a really
tough.
Yeah, because of it can be 50-50. But
there was Master Chef came in, he changed the game. Some giving Usiema saying Siema also had a good game. Some police. Who else? It was difficult. Some Umbata.
Yeah, now Umbata, we deserve even though our Pumile Patia Umbata, I'll give it to Umbata.
Umbata,
yeah.
All right, thanks, Pagania. Wopa.